In this video, I will show you how to change language in Google Chrome. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to change the language in Google Chrome, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Google Chrome browser, come across to google.com. Then what you want to do is come up to the top right-hand corner and click onto these three dots to open up this menu. From this menu that opens up, come down to the settings option. So that's this option down here with the picture of the gear icon. Give that a click to go into your settings. And then what you want to do is come across to this menu on the left-hand side, and you're going to see an option for languages, which has this icon with like an A. So give that a click. This is where you can come to change your language. So if you look at the top section, you can see this is where you can change your language for Google Chrome. If you don't see the language you want to change to here, just come and click onto add languages. And what you can then do is search through the different languages for the language that you want to change to. So for example, if we wanted to change to French, what I would do is select it from the list, tick the box, and then click the blue add button underneath. As you can see, French is now added to this list, and once you've got the language added, all you need to do is come to the right hand side of that language, click onto the three dots, and then click on to display Chrome in this language. At this point, it's going to ask you to relaunch your Chrome browser, so what you want to do is click the relaunch button, and what it's going to do is relaunch Chrome. As you can see, the language is now in French. So that is how to change language in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.